A stock pays you $2 dividend next year, and you believe that you can sell the stock at $14 next year. If your required rate of return is 20%, compute the current stock price. To answer these questions, I suggest you start with drawing the timeline. I understand that for this question, maybe it's very easy to understand, but it will help you to answer more complicated questions. So it's better to practice now. So based on the question, next year, T1, you will receive $2 dividend. So D1 is $2. And then you will sell it at $14 next year. So selling price is $14 and done. So now what should be the stock price? This is the first model that I showed you. So you just simply discount the cash flows to the present time and it's a price. So price in this example is $2, dividend 1 plus selling price divided by 1 plus R, and power is 1 because we want to discount it just for one period from T1 to T0. So price is 2 plus 14 divided by 1 plus your required rate of return, or the interest rate, is 0.2. And the answer is 13.33 US dollar. So the price should be this. Actually, how we use this is actually, for example, you go to the market and you see there's a stock, and you expect the next dividend to be $2, and you expect that you sell it next year at $14, and you compute based on your required rate of return, and this is the price. Now you compare it with the market price. In the market, if this stock is the price is for example, $15, so you won't buy it, right? If a broker is offering you this stock at $15, it's overpriced because you believe the price should be 13, but now it's offered to you at 15, so you won't buy. But if the same stock is offered to you at, let's say, $10, you will buy it because on their price, you believe it's too cheap, let's buy it, right? And if you buy it more than 13.33 US dollar, for example, if you buy it at 15 or 16 US dollar, this means that you will earn less than 20%, but your required rate of return is 20%. So higher price means less required rate of return. You see, there's a negative relationship between required rate of return and price because this is the denominator. So when you buy it cheaper, means P go down. This means higher required rate of return. Means if you buy a stock cheaper, means more earning for you. More, you will earn more than 20%. So this is the story of stock price or computation or stock valuation when you have one dividend next year and then you will sell it.